It's going.
So when I woke up that morning, I marked these two places, this zone and this zone. You understand? I say, okay, since this thing have played out, then I will enter here. I will enter this zone and this zone during London session. So during London session, this is a 4-hour zone. And that zone up there too. And this zone up here is for our
Okay, your golden is your forward zone.
my what?
The
No, this
golden line.
golden is weekly. Golden
Okay.
is weekly zone. You understand?
Okay.
Golden is weekly zone. So that zone I'm showing you there, the one on the green or blue, this zone. You see, I mark my zone with box too. This zone here, the one I marked with box. You see on my cleaner.
That blue is box.
Yeah, it's a box. So on my cleaner line, if you go to file, let me go to file so that you see it's a box. You see it. You know,
Okay,
I
yeah,
shorted market from here because I call this place an order block. You know.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, I just checked it. It's area of resistance.
Yes, and support. It's also a zone.
Where do you see support there?
No, it's not a zone. No, it's not a zone. It's
It's
just
just area
resistance.
of resistance. You see, when I was trying to explain this thing here, I showed you guys. Like here now, for example, this is just area of resistance. You
Yes,
understand?
it's not a zone. Yes, not a zone.
And market still came there and respected it. You understand?
Yes.
Wonderful. Is this call on record? Okay, it's recorded.
Yes, record share
So,
trend.
on 30 minutes time frame, I say, okay, during London section, I will check this zone and this zone. Whichever one the market picks, I will trade on it. So by 8 o'clock, this thing is 9 o'clock, which is the London section. This thing happened. You understand? This market dropped immediately, picked this zone, and formed this bullish engulfing. This thing shows that market is swapped. Market rejected here, market is bullish. What I did is that I measured this and then enter at 50% of the candle. You will see the 50% is here. And then my stop loss below that week. You understand?
Okay.
This London section. Because I know that market will do what? The market will move.
Okay.
Market just take profit immediately. No time to waste. This is where I should put my destiny. You know, this thing is 122 pips. 1:4. So that's that. You are done for the day. We leave the market. But I shorted this also. You know, this thing happened by 2:30 p.m. During NFP. I shorted it. So market came down. So we now go over to one or two examples. I have a lot of examples. I think the better thing I should do is to go to, so that we will not waste time. We will go to this thing I have done before. And we just, you see, I just put my Confluence divergence, break of higher low or lower high or trend line, the test of a zone, you understand? Then this price candlestick formation is price action already. So this is, what is this?
Ascending and descending channel.
This is
this bullish divergence.
Wonderful. And this is bearish divergence. You see how I just explained it to myself. This is what?
Which one?
This one. This one is bull flag.
Yeah, this is bull flag.
And this is bear flag.
Bearish flag.
I explained everything when we started
Yes, yes, it did.
So this thing now, I just put this stuff here. This is just price action. You know, they call this one channel, downtrend channel.
Yes,
You know,
channel.
you see what happened. It's always the same thing. Like if you look at this, you see inverse head and shoulder pattern. It's all wonderful. So this is descending channel. I think what we need to do is, let me just copy this and we look at it once and do another one. This is on 24th February 2023. You know, so here now, you see that this divergence I normally talked about. You know, so at your RSI, if once that divergence is playing out at the bottom or at the top, it's always solid. So when I did this back test stuff, I'm still like, you know, I will still go over to all these things. So market was coming down here and market was doing what there? Market was going up. And if you look at this place, you will see that I used 30 minutes to backtest this. Can you see it?
Yes.
Wonderful. So this is my last lower high here. You understand? And market broke it. Why I use 30 minutes is that even if you see a little breakout, at least we'll be sure that this market have broken. But you might see something like this on 15 minutes.
That 15 minutes is confusing somehow.
Don't worry, I will show you before we finish this trade. Let me just be fast so that I will finish fast and show you something.
Okay.
You understand? So here now, I marked this place. This place now is a support. You know, I just marked it. Then put my feet from point A to point B. Hope this thing, you guys are getting what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
When market dropped at this place, this thing I called price action. When market dropped here, you know, market formed a morning star, but we are still below this zone.
Below that zone.
So you have to leave the market to do
higher low.
everything it wants to do. You understand? Market now break out. When market broke out, it retested that zone and boom, we move.
Okay.
You understand this? You understand what happened here?
Yes.
So what did I write there? Descending channel. Okay, I didn't even write anything.
Oh, you did not document it.
But at least you understand what happened then.
Yes, I understand.
So on 16th February 2023, we have an ascending channel, break of higher low and trend line, and the evening star candle stick formed at a supply zone at 11 o'clock a.m. and the trade hit negative 20. Let me just open it so that we'll be seeing everything live.
Yes, let's open it.
So here now, we have, you see this thing is happening at the top. It's happening where? At where?
Top.
At the top. At the top, you know. So we have the divergence. We have a what?
Divergence.
A bearish divergence.
Bearish divergence. Then this is our last higher low, right? Because we have this higher high. Now market started dancing. Not concerning you. Market was just doing its thing. Nothing concerns
think it's
you.
perfect on 30 minutes.
Yes. You know, 30 minutes is more. Whatever you see on 30 minutes or 1 hour or 4 hours is solid.
Yes.
Number one thing is as time goes on, we will be learning new things and we will keep going. You understand? So
Yes.
market broke this higher low, which shows us that trend have changed, right? Market now
Yes.
Yes.
to this our zone.
First place.
The
Yes.
first place we enter this trade is here. This engulfing, this is price action. This engulfing
Mm-hmm.
candle, this is
Yeah,
bearish
bearish
engulfing candle.
engulfing. Yes.
You know, but if you go and check the time, maybe this time is not the time you're supposed to trade. You say this trade should just be there and be doing its thing. Now, at this moment, this candle formed. I will still send that candlestick this thing on that group chat. Then this thing
Okay.
formed. This is evening star candlestick pattern. As it formed, I marked it with yellow. You now enter
Yes.
this bearish candle. You know, this bearish candle. The
Yes.
market dropped. Does this make sense?
Yes. It
Yes.
makes
You
sense.
see how clean
How,
it looks.
wait. Sorry for cutting you short.
All right.
Where will you now draw your feet from here now? Is it from that where that arrow
From
is on
here,
top?
from
Eh.
maybe you draw it from here because this is the place that break the structure.
Eh.
From
Eh.
this,
Because that
from here to
that
here.
is it's still confusing me small.
If you want to draw your shape, let me annotate. Or let me just leave it. I just want us to do
No, don't worry,
something.
just continue. Eh, I understand. Don't
Mm.
worry.
So number 3, you see how I document it.
Yes, yes.
You know, I want you guys to don't learn trading from someone still doing trials and error. It will extend your learning curve. I wrote
That's
this here. Mind who you are learning from. It's very
no, no, no.
important. It's very important. So some people don't know, some people are just there to make money. Just nothing stops me now, for example, to go and start telling people to pay me to teach them.
Sure,
It's
sure.
it's
At
true.
least I can teach you. I can
Yes,
teach you, and you'll
now.
be like, "Hey, this guy can teach."
It's
Yes, now.
true.
It's true
You know.
now. Even not to
So
just go package stores.
It's true now.
not be to go.
Not
Even this
true,
thing,
not true.
this thing I have here now is enough cost. I will just make a video of
It's
all these
enough.
things and
Just do a video.
I'll be selling it to $200.
Abby.
So, but I don't want, I want to be sincere to myself and I want to make money. You know, the money trading will pay me is, ah, if you enter a trade
People,
and make $100,000, well, what concerns you from coming to people and saying bring money?
Exactly. I will even send a screenshot. I actually screenshotted from a guy I followed on YouTube on Instagram. The guy
You
actually
know,
went off for 8 months. So after the class, I will send it to that group
okay, no problem. So here now we have a divergence and you see that this divergence is at the
at
bottom,
the bottom.
you know, so
Hmm.
it's at the bottom. So this is our last lower high, this place.
Yes, yes, yes.
And market broke it. Look at what happened. Touched
Freaking.
this place now, and formed
Mm-hmm.
this morning star. Always look at this candle. This candle is so powerful. This candle here, red candle, this doji, and blue and green candle. You know
Okay.
where you should enter this trade. Where I entered is wrong. Where you should enter the trade is after this candle have formed. You understand? Then you enter
yes.
the 50% of this candle because you will wait for this red candle, this long red candle. You will
To
wait for
finish off.
candle to engulf it so that you will be sure that market
Oh,
is ready. You understand?
yeah.
Then you enter
Yes.
market.
So what will you now enter? 50% of this green candle.
Yes. Or you will just enter there and put your stop loss below or below the candle
But
too
for
and
me,
just
this is what I normally do. I'll wait for that big candle now to close. After closing, that's when now we.
that is what I'm saying. And if you look at this place now, you see that this is a resistance and this is a support,
Yes,
you
yes,
know,
it's on.
all these places. So you can just mark it and put your stop loss below this zone and enter the
Okay.
trade here. Entering the trade here is more valid than this place I entered. We learn every day because
Yes.
anything can happen here. Market will reverse. So let's continue. I think this thing I did self is helping me. At least we are not wasting time to be going over the chart to go and check
No.
all these things, you know. So here we copy this one. So here now we have, I didn't mark this one, but we see this is a bearish
Yeah, to the
divergence.
top. Yeah.
You
It even happened
understand?
to the top. Yes.
So even here, Seth, this trade is aggressive. I just entered at the break of trend line, because there is no, this trade I did here, don't do it. This thing is very wrong. You understand? So far the trade
Mm-hmm.
is not clean. Remember what I tell you, you know, don't just try to force the trade. Yes, that the trade played out doesn't mean it's right. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, but
Okay.
somehow the trade is right. You know,
Yes.
there are two
Trend
types
line.
of structure. You understand? And that second type of structure formed here. We have higher high. We have this higher low. Now it came up. Now I'm dropped.
Mm,
I explained this in my structural video, right?
yes.
So this thing now is higher, is lower low now. So you normally
Yes.
Yes.
enter trade. You now start looking for candle
But it's a
Bottom
30-minute
points.
structure.
yes, for candles, for price action. This thing is called hammer, hanging man. This candle here is called hanging man. Let me show you.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's called hanging man.
But this
Uh,
structure here is it's a 15 minute. But sorry. I'm so sorry for cutting you in, for cutting you short.
don't worry. Well, let me just show you the hanging man before you continue. So the hanging man now, this is the candle that formed there. So it's not like I went to invent anything. You see this hanging man.
Yes.
Yes.
You see this place, hanging man, a man that is hanging. Then we still have it here.
Mm-hmm.
If you have it here for this one is for bullish. This one is
Mm-hmm.
hanging what? Man. Just this
Man.
candlestick stuff, you need it. Like you see the hanging man. You see how you see the stuff. You see as
Yes.
the man hang here.
Mm-hmm.
They hang the man. Now market form bearish this thing. The trade is valid. Do now enter and put your
Yes.
stop
But
loss above.
yeah.
And we descended. So what were you saying before?
Yeah. Know that this one is a 30 minutes. It's a 30-minute structure.
Hmm.
So the valid one, even I want to go with this structure now, the valid one I will take is when it breaks this previous higher low.
This one,
And it
right?
has a little retest. Yes, the retest will be visible on 15 minutes. Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes,
That's beautiful. Yeah, it's
yes,
true. But this one now is still a lower low.
yes, I know. Yes, yes, yes,
So that is that. So I think we have tried for the day. Let me show you
yes.
one more thing. A mistake I made last week. Last
Okay,
week.
okay.
Let me check. 15 minutes confused me last week. So I just
Oh,
went to my trade view and deleted 15 minutes. You know,
so from your what?
I deleted 15 minutes. What I
From your
want
trading
you
view.
guys to do, don't focus on my work. You understand? I will still send in all these my journals to the group, but I
How
just
do we
want you
create
to,
our own journal?
huh?
How do we create a journal?
You just create a document. You know how to create document, right?
Oh,
Just go to Google Drive. I will show you at the end
okay.
of this meeting.
All right. Sorry.
I want to show you my mistake of last week.
Okay. Some people that I even trading for the past 5 years, they don't even have something like this. This is organized now.
You have been trading for how many years?
I started last year, but I took CA seriously around September. And that September self, it was not even having head and say.
You
Not
know,
until when I met Joe Reason, and that was October, November, and the class was not consistent.
your reason. I don't know. Where is this?
Just the reason us they go.
Aha, there is this thing I saw on. There is this thing I saw on. There's this thing I saw on GJ last week. On 15
Okay.
minutes. I saw something. So on 15 minutes, I saw this. This is
Okay.
a bearish divergence.
A very divergence here.
You understand? So I marked this zone. I did what?
Yes.
I marked this zone.
This
I want
one.
Yes.
market to break this
And
zone
retest it.
and retest it before I enter. So in our group, I drew this trend line. This is really nice. Market broke it,
And retested.
retested, gave me this candlestick, this thing that Oga, I want to travel.
I'm ready. This is the only thing I understood from Jessica's live video. All those are her Sunday classes. This is the only thing I understood.
You
I know that this
understand?
one is yes, this one is like la cram la po.
This is clean, but I was
Exactly.
waiting for it
I
to break
understood.
out. So what did
No.
I write in my journal? What I
Okay.
wrote in my journal: missed trend line breakout and retest. 7 March 2023, 7:15 a.m. Was waiting for market to break the last higher low to confirm the market is ready to sell. The market have done trend line breakout and retest. Doing all these things will help you. I
Yeah.
encourage you to start doing it. You know, when you see all these things, see your mistakes and your these things, it
Your
helps.
confidence. Yeah.
Yeah, it helps. So this is the first this thing. I missed the trade. Then the second thing is this. The second thing is what is this? Say is this.
Is this?
Wonderful. The second thing is this. Why did I save this thing? Where did I save this thing? Where did I? Where did I? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. I actually thought I journaled that trade. Or did I send it to someone? Wait, which date is this? Don't worry. Let me not waste time in this Zoom. When I see it, I will make a record. I will record a video and send it for you guys. Okay?
All right.
So I hope you got value in this meeting.
Yeah. Yeah.
22.
All right. Where the most important thing is, when we started, we watched a video to get your mind ready. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge is a potential power. Where the real power comes is in the application. So I will urge you guys to, sometimes it will look hard, but just try. And if you want, once you break that barrier, that if you want to do it, like you will find it sweet and like eager doing it. Like just try, do it, do the back test. When you want to do it, you will feel tired. You'll be like, but just do what? Do it. Okay?
All right.
Yes.
So you guys should have.
You have not teach us how to create the documents.
Oh, okay, wonderful.
And that's
Yeah.
Let me So if you log in your Gmail,
Okay.
if you log in your Gmail account on google.com,
Okay.
you just type google.com.
Okay.
It's quite easy. Once you open google.com, you will see this stuff here.
Yeah. Yes.
You click on it. Then you look for Drive. See
Okay.
Drive, you click on Drive.
Okay.
When you click on Drive, when you click on Drive, you come to this plus sign here that says New. You click on New. Then when you click on New, when you click on New, you will see Google Doc. You see it here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You click on it. Then once you click on it, this place they write untitled document. You just click there and write it anything you want to name your document.
Okay.
And I write it easy.
What did he say? What did you say?
ECFE means cow head. You can just name your document cow head.
I really can't.
So you now start documenting. You can paste image here. You can do
Okay.
anything here. So if you want to do screenshots, for example, if you want to screenshot something, you should just go and add this thing that I added here. The name is is this snapshot? I don't know. Snapshot. You just write sniping to sniping to Chrome extension. Sniping to Chrome extension. Once you open it, the name is Light Shot. I have it already. So if you want to screenshot anything, it will help you. Once you just click on it, look at mine here. Let me remove mine and add it so that, let me remove mine. So this sign here is, what is it? Extensions. So let me remove mine and add it again. So you click on it, you open it.
Okay.
Then add to Chrome, add extension. It have added. So once it adds, you will now click on this extension, this sign here, you will see it on your Chrome. Then you look for it,
Okay.
then you pin it, this pin, so that it will be showing on your Chrome, you know.
Okay.
So if you want to do a screenshot, if I want to screenshot this now, maybe you don't have a good camera, you will just screenshot it. Once you screenshot it, you see this copy. If you come down, you will see it will bring out all these things. You click on this copy. Maybe you want to send your chat to somebody. Then you send it. Then if you want to, all of you guys know this one now. If you want to screenshot your chat, for example, if I go to file, I want you guys to see if I want to show you guys this thing. Maybe I want to show you guys my trade. If I want to send link or whatever I want to send, if it's screenshot or anything at all, we just come here. You come at this camera stuff. You know how to draw these things, right?
Yeah.
You copy chat image, then you send it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this class.
All right.
You
So much
have
grateful. I
a
appreciate
wonderful
it.
day.
God
Thank you
bless
so much. God bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you.
Thank you
More
so
wisdom
much.
in
I'm
the
grateful.
market.
No
You
problem.
make it.
More knowledge. We will make it together as the Lord
Amen.
gives it.
All right.
Amen.
Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.